Oh wow. Hey guys, welcome back. So yeah, we got a little Panda Hobby X2T today. And yeah, the weather's been terrible, so I haven't been able to go out and hit the trail yet and test this little critter. But I've made myself a little indoor track, so we've got the twist to climb, so these planks are slightly offset up onto the uneven wheels there. Let me bring the lighting round, across the sellotape bridge, and we've got a tight turn and a drop there, down the descent, and then we've got a tricky climb over the rock pod. It's a tight little angle around there, round then up the tyres, up the B16 bed, sorry, the B36 bed, up onto the bed then of the B16. Let's see how this little critter does. So out the box, I'm very impressed with this little truck. Really nice smooth throttle modulation. We've got some soft oil shocks there, so it should be able to absorb everything I throw at it, but well, there's only one way to find out. So as we get to the top here, it's going to start to throw at the truck a bit. Slow and steady wins the race. Tiny bit of hook up, bob it over. Line ourselves up for sellotape bridge. Now this is a tight, tricky turn. I think what I'm going to do is get my front wheels over like that, and then adjust then. Whoa, sorry, one-handed here. Adjust then so I can bring it round, but that back tyre's pushing it fine. Oh wow. And we're on. I think we've just got enough angle to get around. Yes, we have. So onto the rock pod. I'm going to use the strap of the rock pod there for a nice approach angle to get up onto the rock, and then hopefully we'll hook around the rock, or just in bounds there. A little 3-point turn to line up for the finish. Tight when you get up onto this. So we're on the B36 bed. Let's park it up onto the B16 to finish. Wow, really impressed. Fair play to the little critter.